So good day mga ka-ML Auto Deals. Meron tayong unit na Mitsubishi Adventure 2002 GLS Super Sports top of the line. So check natin ang ating interior. So ang ating sidings ay napaka-fresh at walang ka-damage no, including the dashboard. Ayan, napaka-fresh ng ating unit. Naka-wood panel dahil ito po ay top of the line. Yung mga kanyang fabric seats, kung mapapansin nyo, very intact. Fresh na fresh, original ang ating interiors. Okay, so naka-Bluetooth ang ating stereo, AUX and CD-in dash with 5-speed manual tranny, no? All power, power steering, power side mirror, and of course power windows. 198 original mileage, not tampered. Okay, so check natin ang ating second row seats. Yan, buksan natin. Ang mga sidings ay intact pa din, no? So including the second row seats, napaka-fresh. Okay, etong unit natin ay need ng repaint if maselan po, no? Naka aero rack top load, bagong rehistro, 3 ending plate number. So registered siya 2026 to 2027. So ito ang kanyang third row seats. Ang capacity po nito ay 10 to 12 seaters. Okay, so pang family, pang business is very good ang ating unit, ano. So ito ang ating front right side ng ating unit, napaka fresh. Okay, dashboard, walang crack yan mga boss. Napaka pino at napaka linis tignan. Very presentable ang ating unit. So itong unit natin, no, hindi pwede siya masiselan sa paint pero presentable siya. Okay, so yung top load nga po pala ay naka-included na rin sa ating rehistro, naka-indicate po ang ating top load. So kahit ilayo niyan, wala tayong problema. Okay, ito ang ating engine, 4G63 gasoline 2.0 16 valve. Napakalinis, walang katagas-tagas, napakatahimik ng ating makina. So kung interested kayo, just PM us at ML Auto Deals at we are located at Binyan City, Laguna.